Everyone in this classroom agrees that Cooper Flag is the GOAT, right?
No, Cooper Flag is not the GOAT.
Oh, let the record stand that this guy disagrees. All right. Well, anyways, you have a test next Friday. Okay, fine. Today.
Hey,
All right. If you need a warm-up sheet, go get it out of the blue bin. What's this?
It's mine. That's mine.
So why did he have it? Oh, y'all both wanted the Oreo, right?
Sorry, that's called healthy.
If you're absent, all you have to do is write absent. You're working harder than you have to.
Really?
Yes. If you're absent, put absent. Okay.
Can be absent every day.
Yeah.
Absent.
If you're absent every day, then what happens? No credit. You don't turn anything in.
Sir, I'm never absent from class, right?
I don't know.
Yeah.
We'd have to look at the record. So here we go. Now, can you factor this? What was my first step? Okay. Is it equal to 0? So if you see y equals, that's kind of like equals 0. So we're going to say, yes, sir. Take that 3. What are the factors of 3? 1 times 3? Negative 1, negative 3. Now, which one of these two add up to make negative 4?
Positive.
Not positive because it's negative 4, right? Negative 1, negative 3. So you get what? X minus 1 and X minus 3. That's it. Cha-ching. Y'all ready?
Okay.
Now, could you solve it from there? Instead of equal to 0 and solve?
Yeah.
So,
Supposed to, but all it said was factor. That's the factor.
Wait, so that's
If it's just factor, then yeah.
all right. What are we doing for the last one then?
Oh yeah, I decided, even though y'all have been very misbehaving,
Oh, I hope I'm not included in your.
it's more on paper.
what did you say?
On paper.
What did you say?
On paper.
What did you say? No.
Sir, this is your best plan.
Best or what?
Best at me.
Best at talking during my video? No, you can put that phone away. Yeah, that's
So you didn't have like avenues and subscribers.
what? Got bad sub, bro.
You sure?
No.
Sir, if you have Mr. Beast still be cheap.
Probably. Has Mr. Beast ever talked to anything? Has he? That's one of. He? You can still teach from videos, right? Look, let's find that YouTube channel. Where my subs at? 221? 221 for my 1.4 thousand videos. This is a good day, right? Damn. Wow. Let's hit popular. Hey, my most popular video is how to submit a Google Doc when it won't load. 1.3 thousand. Apparently, no. Like this one, it must have been what's it called? When you like the wording of it makes it go viral because it's like I forgot what it's called. Anyway, people must have been looking for this. They found my video. To all the 3.3 thousand supporters of my work, you're welcome. Now after that, it drops off to 597. Hey, that review for quiz 2 though, that was a pretty good day, right? All right. Yeah, probably because I reused it multiple years, made all the students watch it. All right. Well, anyways, let's get back to real life here. You don't want to know. I don't watch my own videos, man. Yes, I wouldn't even watch them. All right, ready? Now, did you think this stuff is hard, like the warm up? It's tough to get harder. Okay, you gotta get worse. Okay, not gonna lie. But we're trying to make it as easy as we can, but it does get more complicated. Okay. 16, 17. And we're going to start something new. Okay. See, if you say 6, 7, you're a follower. But if you want to be a leader, you're going to say 6, 5, like go down, you know? But you got to go 6, 5.
So then it'd be 5, 6.
No, no, no. We're not. We're going the other way. Because we're going towards being number 1. See? Cook the ops, you know what I'm saying? All right.
Generally,
Okay. Well, you could be that one. All right. Thank you. You're a real one. You're him. Whoever watches that video is him. Yeah. All right. Ready? Could actually be him. All right. Wake up. All right. Ready? By the way, someone left us here. So now, do you notice on these examples, okay, that the very first term is not 1? See how there's like a 3 here now? Okay, see how there's like a 5 here, 2 here, 8 here?
oh,
All right? Now, this is why we say A is not equal to 1. Meaning this A value is not 1, this A value is not 1. Okay. So I'm going to show you the way to do this. It's a little bit complicated, but you can do it. We are going to use the calculator to help us. Step number 1. Do you see step 1 up here? It says, see if you can factor the leading coefficient. What does that mean? See this first?
12.
Let me tell you what it means. This first number is what? It's a 3. So let's go ahead and what you're going to do is see, can every one of these numbers divide by 3? Can we divide every number by 3 and get a whole number? Yes. Yes. And yes. That's not right. It has to give you a whole number.
What if it does it?
Then I'm going to tell you what to do. Just listen. Okay, so check it out. If they all divide and give you whole number, whole number, whole number, then here's how you're going to rewrite it. 3 parentheses, and then you're going to write the divided one here, which is 1, 3, and -4. So 1 x squared plus 3x, and then -4 goes here. Okay? So you see how there's the difference so far is that there's a number in front. If it can divide all the way, then divide it all the way. Okay? Why is this 3 here? We divided everything by 3, so we factored out a 3. Now, can we solve this? Well, let's try it. What we're going to do is this, see all this in the middle here? We're going to do this the calculator way. We're going to type it into Desmos and find the roots. Do y'all remember root means x-intercept?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to get rid of this stuff.
Yes.
Yes. What'd you say? No. All right, look. Now that I graphed it, now hold up. I got 2 roots, -4 and +1. So at the bottom, that is the solution. X equals -4, x equals +1. Actually, isn't this like super easy to do just by graphing?
Yeah.
Like all that stuff I showed you how to do the last couple of days, you could just graphed it and found the x-intercept instead? Is graphing it and finding the x-intercept easier to do than all the stuff we did on the warm-up today?
Yeah.
So that's another way to do this, okay? But what it will not do for you, with your eyes open, what it will not do for you is give it to you in a factored form. So look at this. We're missing that middle step where there's those 2 parentheses, right? Okay, so here's what you're going to do. Put those 2 parentheses, and you know it's always x and x. You dropped your illegal phone there, sir. Now, hold on. That 3 still has got to be out front. Y'all see this right here? If it's here, it's here. Right. Now, do you remember last time when you set it equal to 0 and then you did the opposite? Okay, that's what you're going to do. What is the opposite of minus 4?
Plus 4.
Plus 4. It's opposite. See that? What's the opposite of positive 1?
Negative 1.
Minus 1. You go back a step and you do the opposite. Shoot. Shoot.
It doesn't make sense.
It does.
Well, okay. What makes more sense is the other way I taught you, but I'm trying to show you a shortcut. So if you can just graph it, find the solution, you can go back a step and just put the opposite sign. So instead of minus 4, you put it as plus 4. Instead of a positive 1, you put a minus 1.
So first we're gonna divide this by the 3,
If you can.
if you can.
But
Well,
What if-
Well, let's try another one to see if it makes sense. Okay.
what if-
Sir, does it need to be?
Well, if that's the first number. So look at the next one. What's the first number? 5. Do all of these divide by 5. So
Yes.
let's try it. You gotta use Desmos as your guide here. Hold on. 5 divided by 5. Oh yeah, that works. Negative 20 divided by 5. Oh yeah, negative 20 divided by 5. All right, so does it work? C. So let's go ahead and put 5 parentheses. 1x squared is just x squared. Minus 4 is the next one. X. Minus 12 is the last one.
Sir, does teaching pay the bill?
Oh yeah. You know what else does? Saturday school, detention.
They pay you more.
Yep. That's why you'll catch me there. Just helping students out. All right? Now, but seriously, someone's got to be there. I'll take that. I'll take it right to my heart.
Yeah, Thursday's like this.
Right? Gotta hustle, you know what I'm saying? All right. Well, anyways, what do we do next? Can I graph this in Desmos?
Yes.
Let's do that. X squared, my guy, minus 4x, minus 12. Whoops. Make sure you don't put a capital X. That would not work. Okay. Click the x-intercept. Click the x-intercept.
Okay, so
Negative 2 and 6, right? X equals negative 2 at the bottom. X equals 6 at the bottom. So we found the roots. We graphed it. We found the roots. And now step 3, we kind of go back a step. And we got to put it in parentheses. These are the factors, okay? The factors. Don't forget this 5 is here, so this 5 is here. And all I got to think of is opposite. Hey, what are you doing?
no.
At least you're not talking, but like you should be focused. What's the opposite of minus 2?
Plus 2.
So x plus 2. And then x, what's the opposite of positive 6?
Negative 6.
Negative or minus 6. It's too easy, Mr. G. All right. Was that doable?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
All right, let's make it undoable. I'll make a video and you can be the one viewer and let me know, right? All right. Or we'll get it lined up here. I'm trying to think of that phrase. What's that phrase?
You're still locked in.
I'm locked in. Watch out. Hold on. Hold that thought. Wait. Hold on.
No.
Wait. SEO. What's SEO?
SEO.
SEO. Search engine optimization. That's what it was. Okay, anyways, number 3. So we're gonna do the same steps. What was my first step again on each one of these so far?
Divide.
If A is not 1, see if it divides by that number. So this number is 2.
Yep.
So let's try dividing by 2. 2. Does it work? Let's find out. Oh, you sure? Oh, are you sure though?
Yes.
Are you even sure? 2 divided by 2? Oh, it does work. 3 divided by 2? Oh, it does not work. Bummer. So we cannot do it the same exact way. Okay. So here's what we're going to do. Yes, I did. Now, here's what we're going to do. We're going to immediately type this into Desmos. The way it is. 2x squared plus 3x minus 5. Do we see some solutions here? Now, here's the problem. Negative 2.5, I don't like that. I don't like that decimal. Y'all know this circle right here where you can turn it back into a fraction? Okay, wake up! All right, so really, yeah, you like that song? All right, so negative 2.5 is really negative 5 over 2, and then the other one is 1. So here we go. X equals negative 5 over 2, and x equals 1. Put it at the bottom because we're going to work backwards twice actually now. All right. So now jump up here. Like make sure you're putting it in the same spot I am. Jump up here.
Oh, so we don't put the factorized part. Take it.
Well, hold on. So put up here, you always put x and x, right? And you are going to put the opposite sign. So this is a negative 5 over 2. What am I going to put here? Positivo 5 over 2o. And then positive 1, what's the opposite? Negative 1. Now, this is almost right. Almost. What'd you say? We serious? Hey, wake up. Now, here's the only last step, okay? We cannot have any fractions. Wait a minute. Right here, right? So here's what you're going to do with that bottom 2. You're going to take that bottom 2 and move it right there. So it's going to be now 2x plus 5. And then this is the same because there's no fraction.
So do we have to do it like that, then put the 2x plus 5, or you just did that 2 ways?
I'm doing it so you know each step. So what did I do? Graph, find the roots, put the opposites, and then move it over if it's a fraction. Wake up! If you can't wake up, I'll switch y'all out. You know, he'd love to be back there, and you'd love to be over here. All right.
Where was there?
I should, right? I'll think about it. I'll think about it.
Sir, could we skip that step and just go to that one right there with the 2x?
I don't know if y'all can do that many steps all at once. It might be kind of difficult. Some people get lost in the multiple steps in the brain, right? I don't know. I think you might be able to do it, but not everyone can do it. That's why I'm showing every step. Now look, if you try to divide by 8, let's try again. 8 over 8 is 1. Negative 22 over 8 is a decimal, so it already doesn't work. Lame. All right, so let's go ahead and graph this. All right, 8x squared minus 22x plus 5. What are my roots? 0.25 and 2.5. Turn that into a fraction, por favor. So down at the bottom, this is 1/4 and 5/2. So y'all know how to find the x-intercept roots, right? And then you go kind of back up here and write the opposite sign. Opposite of positive 1 over 4, negative. Opposite of positive 5 over 2, negative. Don't get lost anywhere. Now, can I have a fraction here? No way. So I'm going to take this and move it over. Take this and move it over. 4x minus 1, 2x minus 5. And that is how you do it. All right, do y'all want to do more examples or just get to the assignment already? All right, let's get to the assignment already. So you can understand the assignment.
This is easy.
Oh, it is easy when you're not watching movies in my class.